One of the most important needs that all clients have that use vehicle graphics as part of their marketing messaging and their positioning in market is making sure that graphics are never a delay for a vehicle. So whether that's at the beginning of the process when a vehicle is being built, or that's somewhere during the life cycle of that vehicle, keeping that vehicle efficient and on road is critical. So it's important for us to be able to manufacture based on demand, based on need, but our number one responsibility for our partners is to make sure that there's never a point in time where they can't get graphics when they need it. Distyll created a partnership from the very beginning of our business, was created with a joint venture with Adrian. Adrian is a leader in the marketplace in automotive upfitting, mostly in the commercial van space. What it offers our clients is a balanced perspective of us not being just a printer and not just thinking about graphics. We think about the entire process differently than the traditional graphics companies in this space. There's a lot of value in having that balanced perspective in the way that we've designed our manufacturing, the way that we manage our client relationships, and our ability to break down the silos that exist between independent companies that don't necessarily work really well together. Flexible graphics manufacturing solutions is really the focus of our business. We want to make sure that our approach to providing graphic solutions to our clients are tailored around their needs. We manufacture very differently. We do not manufacture an entire year's worth of product based on what the client commitment is, which is something that's very different in the printing space. And as you manufacture in advance based on forecast, as a client, you're taking risk in order to get the peace of mind that you have product on the shelf that's available to you. But by doing that, you don't have the ability to make a pivot if something changes in your business needs. What we want to do is give you back that flexibility, take the risk away from you in terms of manufacturing ahead of what your need is, and really be more responsive to your current needs, manufacture based on that demand. Trust is a really important thing when you're considering a business partner, and we feel that our trust is built around our focus on outcomes and goals for our clients. We take the time to understand what you're trying to accomplish for your business, and we take that as our personal mission to accomplish those. We want to make sure that our clients have all the faith in the world that we will accomplish the goals that they're set out to meet with their orders, and we stand behind it.